Please turn off the power and read all of the instructions before beginning the installation process. Once all the tools are ready, you can start to install based on the following description. Please make sure that the hole in the ceiling is 21 square centimeters before installation. Connect ductwork to the duct adapter and seal them with tape. Stick closely to duct adapter and wooden frame. Then fix duct adapter to ceiling. Connect wire of fan housing to interior wire. Attach the air outlet of housing to the duct adapter and push it up. Make sure the tenon of duct adapter is connected closely with fan housing. Screw the fan housing and fix it on wooden frame of ceiling. Press the torsion springs of grill and then push it up. Installation completed. Make sure of all processes to avoid generating different sounds and resonance. High fashion, perfect design.